Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook upload your ID problem. Right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, if you have tried uploading your ID multiple times, Facebook systems likely blocked you for doing this too often. So if you're trying to confirm your identity right now, and you've done it multiple times earlier today, stop for now. All right? Stop all login and upload attempts for a strict 24 to 72 hours. Do not try to log in, clear cache, or upload your ID during this period, as attempting it too soon restarts the timer, okay? So when you have the opportunity to go ahead and confirm your identity right here, let's say you need to upload your personal ID or an authorized document, or even your personal photo, okay? Make sure that there is enough lighting and glare. Okay, take the photo in a well-lit room with natural or ambient light. And do make sure that you use a camera that is high quality. So if you're currently using a phone that doesn't have clearness of its camera, okay, you can go ahead and try to borrow a cell phone, log in with your account and do the identity verification there. You'll have to do the same if you're trying to upload an ID or a document. If that's not the case, you uploaded a pretty good quality photo and your ID or even an ID, if it's rejected repeatedly, well, maybe there is a problem with your account name or birthday. Okay, it should match your ID or the document. So to go ahead and fix that, let's go ahead and go back to settings right here. All right, and you'll have profiles and personal details. Go ahead and tap on it. And now you'll have birthday. Tap on it. Make sure that it matches your document. Once that's done, go ahead and go back. Your profile right here. The name should match your ID or document as well. I hope that's clear. And lastly here, just make sure that you do have a good Wi-Fi connection or a mobile data connection. And there you have it. Those are the ways to fix Facebook upload your ID problem. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.